Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the possibility of Google purchasing Chat GPT to avoid competition in the artificial intelligence market. For those who may not be familiar, Chat GPT is a natural language processing system developed by OpenAI that has gained widespread popularity for its ability to generate human-like text. It's been used in a variety of applications, including chatbots, customer service, and even generating news articles. But as ChatGPT continues to grow in popularity, it's also attracted the attention of major tech companies like Google. With Google already having a strong presence in the AI market, it's possible that they might consider purchasing ChatGPT to solidify their position and potentially eliminate a potential competitor. There are a few reasons why this could be a good move for Google. For one, ChatGPT has already proven to be a valuable tool in a variety of industries, and integrating it into Google's existing AI infrastructure could lead to even more innovations and improvements. Additionally, purchasing ChatGPT would allow Google to have more control over its development and potentially shape its direction in a way that aligns with their business goals. On the other hand, there are also potential drawbacks to this move. For one, it could be seen as a way for Google to stifle competition and maintain their dominant position in the market. Additionally, there could be concerns about the future direction of ChatGPT and how it might be used by Google. Overall, it's still too early to say for sure whether or not Google will actually make a move to purchase ChatGPT. But it's certainly a possibility worth considering, as it could have significant implications for the future of the AI market. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.